Hello,
We're in Owen Sound, and Jeff and Kath have these crazy neighbors. Look at this, Mr. Pumpkinhead driving a tractor.
Knew he could drive.
We're gonna show you what else they have. Look over here. Look.
It's Turkey
Look at
Lurkey.
a turkey. Gobble, 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 gobble. He is weird. What else did they go? Oh, wait, over here.
It's my big buddy, Mr. Pumpkinhead. Yeah. So you have yourself a good little Thanksgiving weekend.
And we'll see you soon, Zabby. Miss you. Love you. Bye-bye, Zab.